Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to upgrade the side markers on your Subaru Legacy 2015 or your Subaru Outback. So in my video I'm gonna be installing this LED side marker lights, and we're gonna put these lights in place of the bulb lights. So let's start. So this is the housing of the bulb. To remove it, you need to turn it counterclockwise like this, and then just pull it out. And this is the bulb. For the bulb, to remove it, just pull it out. And then this is the new bulb. So the LED light, this one has a polarity. So if it doesn't work, I'm gonna change it like this. So I'm gonna try it first like this. You just align it and then insert it here. And let me try it now. So in case you're wondering who lit the lights, my girlfriend is helping me, so big thanks to her. So as you see, the light lit up now. I'm gonna turn it off, and then we're gonna put it back in the housing. So now you need simply to insert it back like this. And then wiggle it a little bit if it doesn't go in. So now it's in. You need to turn it clockwise once it is in the socket. So now it is in. You need now to turn it clockwise like this. Make sure it is secure, and now it is installed. And this is the light we just replaced, and see how nice it looks. By the way, if you want to check out the lights I just installed, I'm gonna leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you make a purchase using my link, I will gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will help my channel. I want to thank you all for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put them in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions and all your comments. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.